Meaning of detox.
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 Detox. Detox is short for detoxification, which is the process of removing harmful toxins and substances from the body. This can be done in a number of ways, such as through dietary changes, exercise, or specialized treatments like sauna therapy or colon cleansing. When someone undergoes detox, the goal is to help their body eliminate any harmful substances that may be negatively impacting their health. The result of a successful detox can include improved energy, clearer skin, better digestion, and an overall sense of well-being.